Good day, parents and students. For today's video, I'm going to discuss on how you can install the MS Teams application, the application that you're going to use for your synchronous classes. So without further ado, let's start with today's video. Now, ang first step na gagawin nyo is you're going to open your web browser. Let's say, for example, in my case, I am using Google Chrome. Just simply double-click or activate your web browser. After activating your web browser, under here, sa address bar ng inyong web browser, simply type www.google.com. And then under the search bar of your Google website or Google, just key in or type in MS Teams download for PC. And then once na nakita nyo yung link na download Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile apps na nanggaling kay www.microsoft.com, ito yung link kung saan natin kukunin yung desktop app ng ating MS Teams application. Simply double-click this link. And then once you see the download Microsoft Teams message followed by two command buttons, the one is download for desktop and the other one is download for mobile, simply click download for desktop. And then once you see the download Teams command button, simply click the download Teams command button. And then wait for the installer to be downloaded into your computer. As you can see here, once the progression bar is fully completed, it means that your download is already finished and it is now ready for installation into your computer. To install the application, simply click the Teams_Windows_x64.exe. And then you will see the message opening Teams. And behind the scene, the application will be installed into your desktop computer. Just wait for the application to be fully installed into your computer. Then afterwards, you will see the shortcut or the shortcut icon that you can use for logging in into your MS Teams account. Okay, after that, you will see the Welcome to Microsoft Teams. Collaborate with your coworkers or coordinate with your social groups in one app. Just click the Get Started. After clicking the Get Started, under here, sa Sign In text box, just key in or type in your MS Teams or Office 365 email address. Okay, parents and students, always remember that your MS Teams or Office 365 email address will be given to you by the TUMCSI technical team or the TUMCSI registrar's office. Under here, sa sign-in text box of your Microsoft MS Teams sign-in menu, just type here your email address. Just don't forget to include your email address followed by the @ TUMCSI.onmicrosoft.com. Again, always remember to always include the @TUMCSI.onmicrosoft.com or else hindi po siya makakapag-log in correctly into the MS Teams portal. Okay, after that, just click the next button. And then you will be asked by the MS Teams application or the Microsoft Teams application for your password. Simply enter your password. And then click the Sign In button. When you see the stay signed in into all your apps, just allow, or you have this option to either allow your organization to manage your device or not. Let's say, for example, I want my organization to manage my device. Therefore, I'll just leave this checkbox activated. Or you also have this option to sign into this app only. You may use this option especially if nakikigamit ka lang ng mobile device or nakikigamit ka lang ng computer. Since I'm using my own computer, therefore, I will allow my organization to manage my device so that someday, if ever that I may encounter some problems with my Microsoft Teams application, I can ask some help from my organization. Okay, after that, just click OK. And then wait while we register this device with the organization. And then once you see the message, you're all set. We've added your account successfully. You may now have access to your organization's apps and services. Just click the Done command button. And then after that, wait for the MS Teams application to load into your desktop computer. Okay, another thing, the moment that you install the Microsoft Teams application, you will notice here on your desktop. Okay, I'm just going to minimize this one first. Okay, you will notice here on your desktop that the icon is already here. The next time that you're going to log into your MS Teams application, you're just simply going to double click this icon. And make sure that you have a stable internet connection when you click this icon. Okay, moving along or going back into our Microsoft Teams application. Okay, one more step to set up Teams with Office. Just click the Let's Do It. Getting things ready. Waiting for Microsoft Teams to be completely being set up in our desktop computer or laptop computer. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click Yes. Okay, just click the Let's Do This. And then there you have it. We are here at the chat portion of our MS Teams. Here, pwede nyong i-chat yung inyong mga teachers, advisors, or even your classmates simply by typing their last name here. And if they are or if they exist on the system, makikita nyo kagad dito yung kanilang name. There's no need to type the entire email address. Since you are using the same portal, ang kailangan nyo lang pong i-type is their last name or their first name. Okay, just make sure that you are 15 minutes na nakalog in or already nakalog in na on your MS Teams account before the start of your class. Okay, if you will notice here, just below the chat is the Teams shortcut. Once na merong klase na already created na or enrolled na na kayo or yung inyong children or yung inyong student, mag-a-appear siya dito sa menu. Let's say, for example, I am already part of the grade 7 and 8 class orientation. If I want to join this class, I can then just simply click this link. Or if there are other classes here, makikita siya rito or mag-a-appear siya rito. Again, just make sure that you are logged in into your MS Teams application 15 minutes before the start of your class. Let's say, for example, if you have a 6:30 in the morning or 6:30 a.m. class, make sure that you are already logged in into your MS Teams account at exactly 6:15 in the morning. Or if you have a 7 a.m. class or 7 a.m. synchronous class in your MS Teams, just make sure that you are being logged in or you are logged in at exactly 7:45. You are already logged in at exactly 6:45 in the morning. Again, if you have a 7 a.m. class, just make sure that you are logged in at 6:45 a.m. And then your teacher or your subject teachers will call you here using MS Teams. And it is also very important that kilala nyo po or you are aware or alam nyo po yung name ng inyong mga subject teachers para just in case na hindi po mag-ring si MS Teams or you are not being called into the meeting or into the synchronous class, pwede nyo po silang i-call or pwede nyo po silang i-message to call you here in MS Teams so that you can join your synchronous classes. Okay, let's say for example, if your class is already done or natapos sa yung class nyo for that particular day. For example, today I have 3 classes and I already attended all of my 3 classes. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to log out of my MS Teams account. To log out from your MS Teams account, just simply click the MS Teams icon found on the higher right portion of your screen and then click sign out. Then after that, if you want to rejoin the next classes, let's say for example, if you have another classes tomorrow, the next day, just simply click the Microsoft Teams icon. And then as katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, you're just going to repeat the process. You're just going to enter your email and your password. In this case, since I already entered my email address, I can click the continue as my name, or if you are using other account or if you want to log in into other account, you can use the use another account or sign up. Let's say for example, if meron kang brother or sister na gumagamit din ng MS Teams, you're just going to click the sign up using another account. Okay, parents and students, I hope that this video is somehow became helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, just feel free to leave your comment behind. And I'll see you again on my next video. Take care and God bless you always.